Welcome to your go-to source for the latest in tech and finance. Let's dive into today's top stories that are shaping our digital world and the economy. The advancements in AI applications within traditional industries are poised to revolutionize operations by significantly enhancing efficiency and reducing costs. By optimizing logistics through route analysis and improving inventory management with demand forecasting, companies can achieve greater margin expansion and operational resilience. This integration of AI with human expertise not only fosters sustainable improvements, but also ensures that businesses remain agile in a rapidly changing economic landscape. The integration of AI in supply chain management is transforming traditional industries by significantly reducing risks and optimizing costs, with improvements exceeding 67%. The projected market growth to over $41 billion by 2030 underscores the accelerating adoption of these technologies, positioning AI as a critical tool for companies looking to maintain a competitive edge. As two-thirds of supply chain organizations already leverage AI, the trend highlights the importance of real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance in enhancing operational efficiency and minimizing downtime. The significant improvements reported by companies integrating AI in logistics underscore the technology's transformative potential in traditional industries. A 35% reduction in inventory levels, coupled with a 15% decrease in logistics costs, and a 65% increase in service levels, indicates that AI can enhance operational efficiency while also improving customer satisfaction. This data not only highlights the financial benefits of AI adoption, but also sets a precedent for other sectors to explore similar applications for operational optimization. The shift from a single forklift to multiple autonomous robots highlights a significant evolution in operational efficiency within traditional industries. This advancement not only optimizes labor resources, but also potentially reduces operational costs and increases productivity. As companies adopt such technologies, they may reshape workforce dynamics, necessitating new skills and adaptability among employees. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed the insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more daily updates in tech and finance. See you tomorrow.